and this one also, that you have taken a lot of time to do some brainstorming, right? Please try to take only 7 minutes time and complete the paper. This is not a complete holistic answer. Significance of PLA and challenges. You are unable to recall the information that you have had. Let me give you a holistic information here by giving you that keyword based answer model, and decoding question is very important, first point. And you have at least you have written significant points, but the presentation needs to be improved. Is this first time that you are writing answer? No, you have written almost 300 to 400 questions. Okay, still there is a lag in presentation part actually. So uniform alignment is important. This year, sir, I have not written meditation. Okay. 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 Good. I'll show you what should be the actual strategy in this one. Here, to save your time, please sit down. To save your time for your mains original examination, you actually suffer from spontaneous recalling aspect. How will you develop this spontaneous recalling element? You need to have sufficient keywords, relevant jargon. Therefore, you can construct the sentence immediately. If you don't have sufficient perfect jargon regarding society, if you know about prejudiceness, ghettoization, stereotypism, certain terms, commodification, right? The terms that are relevant to the particular domain subject have to be reiterated several times and written by you, like Sanskritization, these terms, example. Similarly, with respect to this public interest litigation, you need to have certain terms which have to be used immediately, and at the same time those have to be interlinked with the given theme of the question there. That should never be deviated. Here, what is actual theme of the question? If you actually identify the original theme of the question, you will never deviate from the relevant answer. Okay. Here, how many parts are there? First point, how many parts are there? Second, in each part, how many sub-components are there? You need to identify the theme. Theme means core essence, core demand of the question, simple. Here, core demand is with respect to, there are certain challenges in implementing this public interest litigation which had a noble idea, noble vision, that is, it is lauded as an inexpensive legal remedy for vigilant citizens to address larger public issues. This is a positive intention behind bringing up this public interest litigation. Okay, this is only a note, a statement, but this statement will help you to understand core demand of the question. When there is a positive note given, definitely there will be a challenge that may be posed in the future, in the later part of the question. Okay. So, here, however, it has also faced criticism for its potential abuse. This is core essence. Okay, this essence. So, next, coming to the major part of the question, this core essence has to be addressed while writing major part of the question. What is the major part here? Is to discuss the significance of the public interest litigation. That is what the first part of this statement has already given you, significance. And second part, it has challenges, that is criticism that it is facing, potential abuse happening with respect to this PIL. This is second part. So, discuss is a directive word which can give you all encompassing elements. You have to give at least 360 degrees analysis, means any possibility, impossibility and criticism or challenge associated with anything related to it, and the challenges it encounters. Okay, these two parts that you need to understand in the first part of the question. These are two subparts. One is significance of PIL, and the second one is about its challenges. Here, challenges, significance of PIL and challenges. Here, the first directive word is important. In this directive word, you have two parts. The first part is about significance and second part is about challenge. You will be able to recall at least 4 points for each of these subparts of the first part of the question. Such immediate recalling can only be possible by developing a kind of keyword oriented smart notes. That is very important, keyword oriented smart notes. If you listen to a word or hear about public interest litigation, immediately what should come to your mind? What should be the actual term that should come to your mind? Yeah, yes, those are keyword related one. Immediately you should be able to recall 5 to 6 points. Okay, these are affordable access to justice is significant and focus on broader public concerns, and try to add 2 more points from your side. And next, challenges, proliferation of frivolous cases, and next, private gains in public disguise, and give examples like Darwin theory. During oath ceremony of a judge, I was not actually uttered, therefore a PAL was filed. So, that is one, and measures to curb such a misuse, this is second. What measures can be taken to curb the misuse of the PAL? Okay. This is what, with respect to challenges, with respect to significance and measures, you should have 5 points in your brain, dump there immediately whenever you see a witness such a PAL question. Always I have been telling you that keyword oriented answer is important. Keyword oriented. Immediately if I ask you regarding these measures to curb the misuse of or abuse of this PAL, ensure bona fide intent, avoid administrative delays, exercise caution in relief, and likewise you need to develop the keywords, and these dimensions should be appeared to the examiner immediately as a flowchart format or sub dimensions or subheadings format. Therefore, examiner should feel that your answer is very transparent with immense clarity of thought and composition of the answer with proper alignment, means uniform spatiation. Okay. Here your presentation, your answer is disoriented. So, try to build a proper aligned presentation with respect to the proper line to line space, okay, line to line space and word to word space, and left alignment it is crossed like this. Please try to have a uniform direction. It will appeal pleasant for the examiner first, that is important. So, it is yes, it is not a difficult task for you, it is quite easy. If you write for a 1 week, you can develop different templates in your presentation, those templates. So, uniform line to line space, uniform word to word space, and uniform size of the letter. Already you have been developing since your childhood, and it is very easy for you, that size has to be maintained properly, and uniform letter to letter and word to word and line to line spatiation and left alignment and right alignment of the page and border alignment. If you maintain it consistently for next 100 questions while writing answers, your presentation will definitely be improved, irrespective of whether you are giving in flowchart format or only descriptive in nature. Okay, that presentation, because relatively I will be having 10 more papers. Why should I give you more opportunity compared to other 9 papers when it is 1:10 in terms of selection? That is important, right? When a person is working hard and giving a good presentation apart from the content that you have presented, why should I give you more priority? That is also important, right? So, please keep it in mind, and tomorrow onwards try to write one answer, and immediately this orientation should be there, and immediately by head this keyword, and also add few more keywords that you have already given, you are given in your daily care questions. Okay? That is good. Take care.